Welcome, dear traders. In this video, you're going to learn why Bitcoin rise up so much and where should be pulled back. Why Shiba Inu got pumped yesterday, technical analysis of Shiba Inu, recommendation where you should fix your position, and also important Ethereum midterm technical analysis update, and also what's going on with Bitcoin dominance. That's why, before we start, I ask you right now to push like, subscribe, and turn on the bell, because take a look, even Sunday, I'm in a car and I record this update for you because I love you, my audience, and help me to grow this YouTube channel that more people will watch it. Thank you. We start from Shiba Inu, after that Bitcoin, after that Ethereum, and at the end Bitcoin dominance. But I recommend you be till the end, because it's so important to know what's going on with Bitcoin dominance, because you saw how in October Bitcoin rise up so much, but most of altcoins didn't do it, because there's a secret in the Bitcoin dominance that you should know. That's it. I'll tell you at the end of this video. About Shiba Inu, yesterday Shiba Inu broke this beautiful trend line, and take a look, from breakout it rise nearly 40%. Most of you at this moment would ask me, Yuri, what should I do right now? My recommendation, my friends, at this moment, book at least 50% of your positions. That's it. Because trend line breakout pattern played out so well. Also, if you would take a look on daily chart, you would see what would you see? You would see, my friends, that the price already rise up 2 daily candles in a row. Do you see? 2 powerful daily candles. Do you see that 1, 2, 3, 4? It's hard to find on a chart 4 daily candles in a row that moves up into one direction. That's why at this moment I recommend you to close 50% of your position, because you will be out of any risk. After that, another part I recommend you to close in this area, and the last one, close nearly all-time high. I know that a lot of you would ask me, okay, but what if the price would move more? Friends, do you know will price move more? You don't know. Take your money and leave. You should be grateful to the market because of what you are making, because it's impossible to catch movement from bottom to a high. Take what you can take right now and leave. Book your profit, spend it with your family. That's it. That's why. Let me build you all these key levels that you can see. Take a look here. Do you see? By the way, write in the comments, do you see these levels, or should I zoom in that you will watch in next videos that levels better? Also, yesterday in our Telegram channel, I also published this update about Shiba Inu and trendline breakout. But I wrote to you that I missed it. But take a look. That breakout happened accordingly a triangle pattern or trendline breakout pattern, and we publish article in our public Telegram channel. That's why subscribe to our Telegram channel, because take a look, articles, video updates, Bitcoin updates, everything in one place. You must be there. It will help you increase your profit in crypto. Also, link on this article will be in Telegram. That's why if you want to read, you should subscribe. That's why about Shiba. Momentum going on up, just book your fix your profit by part. That's it. Those of you that bought, especially here, my friends, close minimum 50% of your position. Believe me, you will be grateful for me after many weeks, especially those people that follow me and saw how I analyze Dogecoin so many times, especially when I told to close, I so many times told to close positions here. And take a look where Dogecoin right now, and it's really big. That's why, do it. The next one, Bitcoin update. Bitcoin, friends, since start of October, take a look, since 29th of September, Bitcoin was in this powerful uprise. As I told many times that, do you remember in our Telegram channels, those of you that watch me quite long, I told that Bitcoin is going to make re-high, but my friends, Bitcoin did a re-high and it needs a pullback, because even I told many times that before previous all-time high, here it was all-time high nearly 20k, Bitcoin were in a range, my friends, take a look, date range, Bitcoin were in a range for, take a look, 29 days. And do you think that at this time that would be totally different? Bitcoin need to accumulate volume. A lot of weak hands need sell their Bitcoins to big guys. That's why at this moment I told it, and I would like to tell you again. I think Bitcoin should make a pullback. At this moment, Bitcoin in this downward channel, and I think breakout to this downward channel could start powerful movement up. Or, as I wrote yesterday to our advanced Bitcoin trading community, take a look. Yesterday it was 15:08. I told them during this reload, when Bitcoin did this beautiful reload, take a look. I told to all of them that we need big volume in DOM. Yesterday during reload, when price made a reload 60k, only appeared 71 Bitcoins and 278. What does it mean? A lot of people that bought Bitcoin in this range, their stop losses here. And big guys just hit their stop losses. People that bought here, they sell. Big guys just absorb their stop losses and move instrument. But 350 Bitcoins, it is not enough. We need at least 2,000 for a really powerful local bottom. Many of you would ask me, Yuri, what is DOM and footprint? First, below this video, I will add article about what is DOM and footprint, and then also I will add video lessons, video lesson where I explain to you what is DOM and footprint. Just watch it; it will help you understand how market is built. But once more, for Bitcoin, summarize. For Bitcoin bottom, we need a lot of volume in DOM footprint, or we need powerful technical pattern. At this moment, we don't have we don't have first and second. Okay, let's do Ethereum and Bitcoin dominance. Ethereum, my friends, still in this powerful uptrend, and at this moment I would pay attention to Ethereum because do you see this trend line? Until Ethereum above this trend line, I would be bullish. Take a look. But remember that at any moment that trend line could be broken. That's why, my friends. What I think at this moment, I think that Ethereum could make acceleration, and it would be end of this cycle. How far it could rise? It could rise to a couple of thousand. In what cases this scenario will be? You should forget about this scenario. If instead of acceleration, Ethereum would make, for example, re-high, and after that it would squeeze to trend line, and that would be breakdown of trend line. That would be a signal for a local range, and at that time it would be important to do to watch new update that I'll share with you. That's why about Ethereum, trend is bullish. It bounced from this mirror level. At this moment there could be acceleration. Those of you that bought Ethereum here, what I recommend you to do, if that would be re-high, close part of your position. At 5,000, book additional 25 of your position. Because remember that there would be period of time when Ethereum, like whole market, will crash a lot. And you never know how far price would rise. That's why take out your money from the market. Because remember, this bubble increase, and there, at any moment there would be 2008 year when that bubble will burst. You need take out as much money as possible before that happen. And about Bitcoin dominance, why Bitcoin rise up so much while altcoins was at bottom? Because, my friends, there are secret, as I promised to you, in Bitcoin dominance. Did you see that at start of October Bitcoin dominance rise up was the same with Bitcoin, and only a few days ago it started dropping? That means money mostly moved into Bitcoin. Most of altcoins were in a range. At this moment, Bitcoin made small pullback, but dominance dropping. That means while Bitcoin make pullback, a lot of altcoins pumping. Remember, when dominance in a range, during that time, Bitcoin and altcoins moves together. If you would like me to record better update and whole video lessons about how to read Bitcoin dominance, write in the comments. At least if there would be 20 people that would write a comment that yes, I would like to watch video about that, I will record video and publish it on YouTube as soon as possible. Friends, thank you for your time. Remember to subscribe, to push like, to turn on the bell, and subscribe to our Telegram channel, link in the description. Thank you.